Harsaevak here, Sat Nam, here to share with you tuning in mantra for Kundalini Yoga, Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. It means I bow to that creative consciousness, that divine teacher within. It's a mantra that we use to start our practice, to center ourselves, to align ourselves with our guru, our soul, our higher self, our angels, our guides. In itself, it is a complete practice. Ong is that creative consciousness, the O-N-G, similar to the gong. It's that vibration, it's a resonance. Ong, kind of through the nasal passage, activating the third eye. Namo means to bow, to be humble, to connect to the earth. So that creative consciousness connecting to that earth energy. The guru is the transformation from dark to light, that journey. Dev, the divine. All right, so we're gonna need to inhale deeply to perform the mantra. It's a sound, and it's only gonna happen as long as we can fill our body instrument with breath. So one way to connect with our breath is to bring our hands to our belly, inhale deeply as the belly expands out. And exhale, belly comes in towards the back of the spine. Practicing the breath, inhale deeply. Filling the space in the belly, exhale. Another way to think about the breath is to widen the body on the inhale. And then exhale, lengthening the spine gently. Again, widening the body on the inhale. Exhale, lengthen. All right, so let's start. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. We're going to chant that 3 times together. Okay, eyes are going to be gently closed. Bring the hands together at the heart center. Gently tuck the chin. Raise the heart center. Inhale deeply with that belly breath. Exhale completely. Again, to prepare, inhale deeply. Exhale completely. And please inhale to tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale deeply, hold the breath. Gently relax. So there's the tuning in mantra for you. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Use it, enjoy it, harness the vibration of this tuning in to that higher self that you are. Sat Nam.